48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Today, we will be discussing about the first law, which says, never outshine the master. This book of Robert Greene, called 48 Laws of Power, is banned in American jails. You can buy any book while still being a prisoner in American jails, but you cannot at all study or buy this book. Why? Because this book teaches 48 different laws which enhances your individuality, your status, your power in the society. So, in this playlist, we will be discussing about each and every law, one by one, with the help of various characters, figures, stories, which the writer Robert Greene has given. So, coming to the Law 1, we will be discussing the first story of French King Louis XIV. Fouquet was a minister in the court of Louis XIV. The French finance minister during his reign died suddenly. Fouquet was very well versed with this all court politics, knew that he is the man eligible for the post. But Fouquet saw that King was not inviting him to take the position right away. So, Fouquet, in order to show his reach in the nobility, gave a huge feast. He invited all the prominent royal members as well as dancers, musicians, chefs, and even the king to his feast. This was just a show-off party from the Fouquet for the king. When the king arrived, he saw that all the nobles and all the royal people were roaming around Fouquet. He waited and he enjoyed the feast. Later on, Fouquet was arrested. He was handed over to the soldiers. On being asked what is his fault, he was told some weird explanations. The reason was the king thought that if a common minister can accumulate so much wealth, so much position and status in my own country, in my own empire, so later on he may try to usurp my own throne. That is why he threw the Fouquet in jail. Next story is from Japan. Here is the Emperor Hideyoshi, and this is the old person, is his tea ceremony organizer, Rikyu. In Japan, those were the time when people loved to invite other on tea ceremonies. Tea was served and they used to have a party kind of thing. Hideyoshi liked Rikyu. His tea ceremony arrangements were far beyond the excellence. One day, Rikyu was arrested and thrown inside jail. It was on the order of Emperor himself. Some people asked the Emperor, what is wrong? Why did you throw that old man inside the jail? Emperor told them that Rikyu has got installed a statue of himself in front of his house, which anybody can watch going through the road. Anybody passing by the house can watch it. In that statue, he has got wearing sandals Those were the times in Japan. Such sandals were only worn by the emperor and the noble royal family. Reikyu was no person from noble, or neither he was from the royal family. That is why the king got him into jail and later on he beheaded him. This to even show that never ever try to outshine the master. But there is a reversal. The reversal means the opposite of the law. Okay? The reversal says, if you feel that the master is no longer able to maintain the trend or the discipline, so wait for your own time. Never try to overtake the master. There will be a time when the master himself will invite you to take the charge and will surrender all his titles to you. So, wait for that. Never try to outshine your master. But if your master is too old or too feeble to carry out the discipline, you can wait for your time to come and the power or the discipline will fall upon you. Lastly, this is the book which we are talking about, 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. It has been an international bestseller. You have to buy it, study it, and assimilate into your life. I'll meet you in the next law. Bye.